Hello everyone, my name is Grashka and I'm the Pokemon card collector. On today's video we got again Astral Radiance triple booster pack. Right, open up, just have a look what go inside. And before we start to open it, just go ahead and smash that subscribe button for upcoming videos. Got EV Metallic Coin, Sylveon promo card, code card for you guys, and 3 booster packs. Well, start to open it. Code card. Radiant Lucha, and now Hollow Registeel. Next one. Code card. Oh, nice, Trainer's Gallery card. And Regigigas, all one. Double hit on this one. And the last one. Code card. Reverse Hollow and Mr. Rhyme V. Nice. Never pulled that card before. See that? 3 proper hits on this one triple booster pack. Nice. Alright, if you like the video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching it. See you on the next one.